Wonderful, and hello friends, and may I say the warmest welcome. You have arrived at a very special Pea Green Boat Day today, live from the Missoula Public Library. I am looking out and seeing and talking to so many wonderful faces and making new friends. And just past this crowd of kids and parents, I am looking across our big backyard that is Montana, and I'm talking to all of you out there too who are listening at your radios and in your cars. And I have to say, whether you are in your cars or your homes or you're sitting here in front of me, I want to say welcome to the Pea Green Boat.